Alright, so I thought it would be fun to do a grocery haul. I haven't done one of these on my channel yet, so I thought we'd do it today. So this was not a very big grocery haul, like a grocery purchase for us. Just kind of the basics that we were running out of. So just to start off here, the kids really love these crackers. So got a box of those. Some Activia yogurts. They were on sale. The kids love these. I love these classic Maria cookies. And we got bananas, Aurora says. So I love these in the morning with my coffee, just to dip something in my coffee, and they're not sweet and chocolate and all that. So really like those. Just some whole grain bread, hot dog buns, some long grain rice. Yes, we got ice cream too. And then over here, this is our favorite coffee creamer. This is the Double Coffee Mate. It's so expensive now. When we first started buying it, it was like $5 for this huge thing, and now it's gone up to like $9. It's insane. We're trying this milk for the first time. We tried the chocolate milk and it was really good. So now we're just gonna try the regular milk. This is lactose free, and what really attracted to me is that it has 50% less sugar, 50% more protein, and 9 sources of essential nutrients. We used to buy like the big jug of milk when Aurora was drinking a lot of milk, and since she left her bottles, she doesn't really drink milk anymore, and it kind of goes bad. We don't finish it in time, so I thought this small thing would be really good. And then I always get this Balkan natural yogurt. We are Albanian from Europe, so the Balkan area, and we love to make tzatziki with this, or even just eat it with our traditional dishes. It's just awesome. The kids love it. And then just some 6-bean medley. I like to make a bean salad with that. This is the second time we're trying this Summer Fresh dips and hummus selection. It was so good. So grabbed another one of those. A big thing of lemons. Some mandarins here. Potatoes. These chicken strips for when we want a quick, easy dinner for the kids. Which one? Peppers? Yeah. And these sweet peppers. Aurora loves these, and we put these in our salad. They're so nice and convenient. Yes, I'm gonna grab you. I just have to wash it, okay?
Oh, I want that one, not a big one.
Yeah. You want this big one?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. I'll give it to you. Can you go sit and wait for me?
I'm gonna go sit in the
Yeah.
over here.
Sorry about that.
Don't break it.
And then back there, I have a juice. I swear I ordered a apple juice as well, and I do not see it anywhere here. I don't know if I mentioned I did a Walmart grocery pickup. I usually like to do delivery, but we had Aurora at her dance class today for the first time, and it's very close to the dance studio. So I thought I would save the $10 that it costs to do delivery and just pick it up for free. So anyway, juice, some mushrooms, 2 cucumbers, some celery sticks to go in the bean salad, carrots, tomatoes, and this big thing of ice cream. It is so good. The kids already dipped into it, and I tried it out as well. It's amazing. So yeah, all this cost us $100. Not bad, to be honest, compared to what everything costs right now in Canada. But yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Sihana. I am going to be doing a refrigerator deep clean today. We picked up all these groceries, so before we put them away, we are going to go ahead and deep clean the disaster that is in here right now. Let me turn you guys around so you guys can take a look. I know for sure we've got some expired food in there that needs to come out, and there's something that's spilled down there, so we got to get that a deep clean. Do you see that, Boykin? That is not good.
Nasty, nasty.
Nasty, nasty. So we're going to work on taking everything out and giving it a good scrub.
You better put that in there. You better get. Can you hold this? You better have to put. Where are they?
All right, I'm going to get to work now.
Yeah. You have to put this in there so it can dry.
Yeah. Wish me luck.
Or here.
So yeah, as you can see, we've got so much work to do.
I want to see it.
If you are new, please consider subscribing to our channel here. It means to us so much, right?
I get one.
Are you gonna help me?
Yes.
Alright. And you, I've got my little helpers here.
Why is there a score on my eye?
Yeah.
That's
That's just the camera. Careful, don't fall.
I am in this
Okay, do you guys want to tell them your names?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, that was so close. You okay? She almost fell. All right, what's your name, Boykin? Oh, I just said your name. What's your name?
Boykin.
Boykin. How old are you? And what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
What did you say?
And what's your name?
You said kindergarten.
What's your name? Aurora. How old are you, Aurora? 3. Good job. And Aurora is going to start preschool in September.
Bye to my channel. Soon I'm out.
She's saying subscribe to my channel.
Bye. You mean to our planet? No, we're not saying bye yet.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too
I started off by scrubbing down all of the glass shelves. I removed this piece of glass here on top of the veggie and fruit drawer, and just got right into the corners in there as well. To clean out my fridge, all I'm using is a sponge, hot water, and dish soap. I don't like to use any cleaning chemicals in my fridge just because our food is in here. So I feel much safer just using dish soap and hot water.
And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay.
So now that everything is nice and clean, I went ahead and grabbed a dry cloth, and I'm just gonna go and dry all the shelves to make sure there's no streaks or anything on there.
Promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
And when you are cleaning your fridge, don't forget to go through the rubber rim or whatever it's called of your refrigerator door, because look at how much crumbs were stuck in there. I also like to clean the filter of underneath the refrigerator filter, whatever that piece is called, because it gets filled up with so much dust. And then next I took upstairs to the bathroom, all the shelves, like the pull-out drawers, because it was just so much easier to clean in the bathtub than to try and clean it in my kitchen sink. So I'm just using some dish soap and my sponge here, getting it all clean, and then I'm going to use my shower head to get it rinsed out.
Well, Catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all let me you, only got you about. All those little moments. All those little moments.
A buzz on and my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar.
Now that everything is clean, I am going to start and putting everything back in.
Look up and our eyes lock and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. Well, the sun's up, you wake up, an angel in the morning light. And I don't ever wanna leave, the bed's messed up just right. So we make love and we make plans, and God knows that I'm all about it. We're up high, never coming down, baby, just you and I. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. I've known it since I met you, this love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll be everything we wanna be. For the rest of our lives, for the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see.
Okay guys, so it's all done. Looks so much better. It's all clean. We've got our eggs up there. In here we have just our cheese and lunch meat drawer. There I just left some mushrooms that I'm gonna have to use pretty soon here. And big salad kit there. The dips, coffee creamer, milk, some beers there, and then I left our pickles, olives, and mayo there down there. In here is our veggies, and in here we have some oranges and lemons. So yeah, that's it for our fridge clean out for today. I hope, oh, I forgot to mention what was here. So we've got our dressings and sauces there. Here I have the kids' yogurts where they can easily just come and grab them. And I put some pouches in here for Boykin, he likes them cold and Aurora likes them at room temperature. So I still have the box with a few pouches that are going to be in the pantry, and then these ones in here for Boykin. There I've got some salsas, ketchup, mustard, ranch, and our adult drinks, and some orange juice there as well. So yeah, I hope this gave you guys the motivation to get up and clean your refrigerator. Mine needed a deep clean really bad, as you saw at the beginning. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you subscribe if you are new. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.